It's Monday, y'all. The rain that was here all day yesterday is gone, which means we can get back outside. Oh wait, I gotta fold these first. Oh, I'm gonna move. We have a table upstairs.
I can pick it up and bring it down for you.
Let's see if we can bring it down, Annie Mac.
I'm strong enough to do it all by myself. I can do it all by myself.
I don't know. It's a pretty big table for you.
No, it's not.
I think it is.
Which one? The one on the platform?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab one with it.
Oh wait.
Be careful.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Be careful. I'm scared. I'm scared, Mama. I think we need Daddy.
No, we don't need Daddy. Come on. Hey, Jonah, come here. Help me bring this to the laundry room real quick. Okay. Make sure you lift up over that brick. Yeah, I think this is gonna work out good. So it was originally gonna be was it gonna be the TV stand originally?
No, it's for going up there.
Oh, that's what it was. Titus was building like a towel rack or something to go upstairs, but it didn't end up working out for that with the limbs and stuff. See, most of this stuff came from the backyard. All this stuff here, the mountain laurel. Anyway, so it didn't work out for that. Then it turned into, Tyler had it in his room and he was just using it for different things, and then he didn't want it anymore, so he gave it to Jonah for a little while, and then Jonah didn't want it anymore, so it's just been sitting up there on the platform being like a catch-all table. They just throw stuff on it like their hoodies or whatever. So the other day when I was up there cleaning, I was like, I think this would be a good folding table, although there's not a lot of room to fold on it, but I might figure out something I can do with it because it's not fitting up there on the platform. They had it catty cornered, but it's still kind of sticking out on the edge. It's just taking up too much room right there, so I'll figure out something I can do with it here. Come on. Let's see what we got. I brought a couple of my little trays out here to get the eggs. Looks like I'm only gonna need one. I don't see any other ones. Feed's good, water's good. I got these little cartons from Tractor Supply. This egg doesn't want to close up in there. Oh, I think it's this extra large brown one right here. Let's see if we put it in the middle, if it'll close. It can be a dozen or 6. You can take them apart right there in the middle. The other ones say 6 reasons to get up in the morning and something else about 6. So I broke those 2 apart. Just needed one today. No green ones. I love the days when we get the green ones. I'm gonna go to the barn and see if the other hen laid one in the hay barn. We might have 2 in the hay barn, one from yesterday and one from today. Look at this blue sky today. How many, Jonah? Just one? Hey, Goldie. And Bam Bam. This is the beet pulp. I have to soak it, and so it looks like that.
It looks like oatmeal. Goldie loves it.
He likes you, Manny.
Yeah, he lets me pet him. Sometimes. Those salty blocks are taking a long time to disintegrate.
Are they?
Yeah.
The horses lick them until they kind of like a sucker. You know how when you eat a sucker, it starts out big and then it gets smaller and smaller and smaller?
That's how that does?
That's how that does, but it just takes longer.
Well, it seems like that horse already has done it. Well, it seems like the death brush again. Watch this.
You cleaning up now?
Yep.
So that one's yours, huh?
Yeah. The feed things right here, that would look nice. Okay, we take the laying box and put up against that wall flat, okay? Imagine with me. Oh, can I? Oh.
We're rearranging the chicken coop because the rearranging bug hit Jonah. It's gonna be high enough there? Sure. Yeah, I think it needs a couple knots. It's gonna be a little bit too low right there.
It'll be better from this point on.
So you want to rearrange it again?
Oh yeah, that's better.
Oh, yes. Is it?
Yeah, it's about a girl, and she has the cupcake friends, and they're gonna make cupcakes for a wedding. But they want to buy dresses for them for the wedding, but the main girl is trying to save up money for a KitchenAid.
For a KitchenAid? Oh,
Yeah.
for mixing the cookies.
Yeah, but they want to get dresses, and she doesn't want to tell them. And then her mama, oh, there it is.
Almost fell. Peekaboo. We're gonna get supper started in here. I'm making a family favorite tonight. I'm gonna tell y'all some of the ingredients and see if you can guess what it is. Bacon, grapes, celery, rotisserie chicken, and normally there would be curly fries involved, but I don't have any curly fries. Chicken salad clubs. So I'm gonna cook the bacon in the air fryer. While it's cooking, we'll shred up the rotisserie chicken, slice the grapes, and yeah, I don't have any curly fries, so I'm either gonna do hash browns or just some home style fries, just chop up some potatoes, and cook those in the air fryer. I think that's what I'll do. Days like this are making me want it to hurry up and be springtime, for sure. It's really pretty out there. I wanna put away any winter decorations and bring out the spring stuff. I'll wait until March sometime. It is staying daylight a little bit longer, so I'm happy about that. It didn't get dark yesterday until around 6:30, and it was really, really cloudy too, so if it wouldn't have been so cloudy, we probably would have had a little light until after 6:30. We might air fry something if we plug this up. I'm ready to get that peach tree planted. I have decided too that I think we will get some more peach trees. They should do really good here. I mean, Georgia peaches, you know? Those are called the Belle of, I have it still sitting out here. I think it's the Belle of Georgia or something like that is what those are called. We'll get this chicken ready first. Let me get something to do this in here. Okay, we've got the chicken ready. I'm gonna wash what's left of the grapes. Jonah's been over here eating them. I'm just kidding, there's a lot left, but he has been snacking on them. These are some good ones. What kind are these? Are they the red? What were those ones last year? We got some really good ones last year called red,
Fire Crunch?
Fire Crunch, yes, those are great. These taste like the Fire Crunch, but these just say red grapes. We got them from Walmart, but they are very crunchy like the Fire Crunch grapes. Now, I'm not going to need all these grapes, so let me grab that little container. Put some of them in here. These are pretty big, so I'm going to cut them into 4s. Okay, let me check this bacon real quick. The rest of those in there. Uh-oh, did I have a stem? I had a stem. Get out of there, stem. Yeah.
salt and pepper.
Okay, so we've got the chicken, grape, celery, salt and pepper in there. Now we're just gonna add the mayonnaise. Mix that all in. And I just kind of add the mayonnaise and mix it and see if I need to add more. Just make it how you like it. Okay, I think that's good, but it looks like we need a little bit more salt and pepper. I'll just cover this and put it in the refrigerator while I finish making the bacon and the fries, or home-style potato wedges, whatever you want to call them.